Vital Nectar Raw Natural Honey is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. The feature of this machine is often suitable raw honey and stick product. We use rotary pump to fill with high accuracy. Honey is a highly viscous liquid that is prone to crystallization and has poor fluidity. We installed one-way valves to prevent leakage during the filling process. This machine can accomplish forming bag, measuring, material filling, sealing, counting, date code printing, all the work automatically. PLC can control the bag length. Date printer can print 1 to 3 lines characters such as production date and expiry date according to your requirement.